Okay, so it is a Saturday afternoon, and we are in downtown well, not downtown Alpharetta. I guess we're in Alpharetta somewhere, suburbs, close to Avalon. For those who don't know who it is, where that is, it's a really great place with great shops and all that kind of stuff. It is the place to be. This neighborhood was probably 200,000 a long time ago. Looking at a property for 700, possible short-term rental with that type of price point. Definitely not going to be a long-term rental. You'll never get the amount of money that you need to. However, it could be a short-term rental. Let's go take a look. Okay, we are in Alpharetta, Georgia. So for those of you who don't know who that is, this is really the place to be. This is the hottest market. It is March 1st in 2024, and they are already going 5 to 10% over asking. So this property is pretty expensive, about 700. It would not work as a long-term rental. You just wouldn't get the rental rate. However, it could be a very good short-term rental. No HOA, no rental restrictions. We're gonna go check it out and see if it's something that we would like to pick up personally. So one of the things we always look at is the neighborhood. So in the neighbors, so you can see this is not necessarily updated. This is definitely not updated. What we did see in the neighborhood though, that's definitely not updated. So definitely a lower price point stuff house, but there's a house right there on the corner, completely renovated. And if you go down this street, you can tell that houses are being completely redone. So whenever you're going to a house like this, you always gotta be worried, like how much did they cover up from the old versus what did they put in new? You can tell actually they completely redid the siding to give it sort of that look. Anyway, so we're looking for what would they potentially have covered up? And is it just a sloppy fix or is it a good fix? And so usually you'll find that in the details. Looking here at the windows, those look good. Actually, all of this siding looks brand new. So far, not too bad. It's so funny, these lights are so low. All those Stanley Cups. This is a short-term rental. The rooms are pretty small. Super cool room. So you have 1, 2, 3, all share that bathroom. Little playroom, party room. Let's go clean. Nice fenced backyard if you're gonna have pets.